Alright, so today we're actually installing the Wickerbill on a 2019 6th gen Camaro SS. So, what can you tell me about the car? What package is it?
It's a 1LE. Comes with magnetic ride control, 6-piston caliber brakes.
Pretty much it. And how much horsepower does it have right now?
To the crank, it has 455. 455. The wheel is roughly 400. Okay,
and so we're gonna do the Wickerbill today. That's not all that we're doing though. There's still gonna be more parts. What else are you gonna do to the car?
Rotofab intake, E85 from GM. Hopefully I can get a Zl1 fuel pump in here. You know, upgrade a fuel rack.
And some more stuff.
Yeah,
all right, and what do you expect to get out of all that, like performance?
Hopefully after I'm close to 500.
Close to 500?
500.
500 horsepower, okay.
Oh, headers.
Headers too, okay. So after we get that done, we're taking it to the track. We have to. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the parts. We got the drill bits. Do you have the rivet gun?
I do.
You have the rivet gun. The first step is to get everything aligned, right?
Yeah,
tape it up, see where it's gonna be at, and then we'll mark for the holes and then we'll drill them after. On this thing, drill the holes first, get everything in place. Do not take all that sheet off, like the cover, this stuff, because you don't want it to get scratched up. So we put the tape on, and this is just to mark the holes and make sure we don't mess anything up. So we got the center line here. It's all straight with the emblem. There's this little dot on the light. So we lined it up where he wanted it, and that's the hole that we got. So now he's gonna drill it. So we're doing a pilot hole first. The look on this guy's face. No, don't let it run. That's right. Alright, that's the first hole. Can't go back now.
I know, fuck.
Next is the 3/8, right?
Yes, sir.
We drilled it with the 3/8 and it went all the way in, so that's good. Good to go. There's one. So that's one rivet down. Like 5 more to go. Yeah, it's on there, dude.
Good.
That's it. You got it. First try.
Hopefully the next one's like that.
Okay, so this is where we're at right now. We got 3 of them on. They're pretty simple to do. The scary part is making the holes because you don't want to mess up. So yeah, so now we got 2 on that side and then 2 on this side. When you do the rivets though, you got to make sure that you're actually in the hole that you're pressing onto the spoiler itself, or else the rivet will it'll tighten up outside of the spoiler, so it's not even going to catch on anything. Like this one here, it didn't catch on anything. So just be sure to press down on it. And the kit actually comes with 1 extra, so I'm guessing they do that just in case you mess up. So this is it, finally on. We just have to tighten them. But so he got the black with the, what is it, tinted?
Tinted.
Instead of fully clear, but it looks good. Yeah, dude, I think we did an alright job.
I think you did an amazing job.
That looks sick, for sure, yeah. Look at that.
You want little spin.
Do I? Is there like a valve for the exhaust, or that's just how it is? Oh, when you put it in sport or whatever? Yeah. Damn. Yeah, you definitely feel it. Dude, that thing is spinning. Shit. This thing is quick. Damn.